I'm going to show you on board the Singapore Airlines upper deck. Immediately you can see the first class suite. So, oh my gosh, this is actually better than the demo mock-up product I've seen in the convention center last month. Very spacious and quiet, very private. Now you see it. Alright, let's go and continue the tour. Let's go to this side, have a look. So the row 1 and 2 can make 2 double suites together. And you have tons of room when you're inside the suite. Just that I'm shooting in my iPhone, so it looks a bit close in, but it's not. Then further down the aisle, there are 2 single suites down here in row 3. So you see the bed is not folded down, and you have a chair here swiveling.